In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fully customize your Shopify menu so that your website is easier for your customers to navigate. I'll also be showing you how to customize your website's footer, including how to add your logo, and how to add clickable social media icons to your footer. Let's get straight into it. Inside Shopify, you'll want to open up your themes page. This is where you can edit your website. First, I'm going to show you where you can edit your menu and where you can add a new menu to your website. Click on your website's header, and you'll see all the editing options for your website's header. You should see the menu section, where you can click the drop-down, and you can click Edit to edit your menu. This should open your main menu. In case you would like to customize your current main menu, the menu editing page is located under Content, here in the Menus tab. I'll be adding and customizing a brand new menu, so I'm going to click Create Menu. Then you can title your menu. Next, I'm going to click Add Menu Item. Now I'm going to begin adding page links. I'll start by adding a homepage link, so that when the customers are on your website, when they're on other pages, all they have to do is click Home to navigate back to your homepage. The next type of menu link you can add would be a link to your All Collections page. This will be the page where customers can shop all of your product collections, so I'm going to click Collections. Then I'm going to click All Collections. I'm going to click Add Menu Item again. Now you can choose the next page link that you would like to add to your menu. So if you have a custom page like an About Us page, you can add a link to that page. And if your store has a blog, you can add a link to your blog page. Shopify should give you a default news blog that you can link to your main menu, and you can retitle this label title as well. I've titled it Our Blog, and I'm going to click the check mark. For some other menu links that you can add a link to your store's policy pages. You can add links to your customer accounts pages so that customers can see their orders and also their profile. Next, I'll be adding a link to the contact page. So I'm going to click Pages, then I'm going to select Contact for the contact page. And you can title the link label Contact or Contact Us. This is the first beginner-friendly way you can do your main menu in case you don't need to add a drop-down. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to add drop-downs and how to add sublinks to your menu. So right now, I'm going to save this menu. If you're also still deciding between which Shopify plan to choose, I do have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. This deal will give you guys 3 months to explore Shopify, set up your website, and start getting orders. I'm going to put this Shopify sign-up link in the description box below so that you don't have to choose a long-term plan just yet. You can give yourself a couple of months to get adjusted to the platform. On top of that deal, you guys can save 25% off your plan every single month when you select to get an annual plan. This way, you can save money every single month. I'm going to put that Shopify sign-up deal in the description box below so you can enjoy your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. Inside your theme editor, you'll want to click on your header. Then next to menu, you're going to click on the drop-down. Then you'll want to click Replace. This way you can select the exact menu that you want to link. Specifically, I'm going to select that new menu that I just created. You can click the full screen icon to now take a look at your menu. I'm going to save my website. Then to preview your website, you can click the 3 dots and then you want to click View. This way you can take a look at your new menu. So here are the menu links, and this is the first way you can create a beginner-friendly menu for your website's header. Now to add drop-downs to your menu, you want to go in to edit that menu. So on Shopify, you can click Content, then click Menus, and then you'll want to open up that brand new menu. I'm going to show you an example of how to add a drop-down. I'm going to click on this All Collections link, and then I'm actually going to retitle this to represent one of the sections for the drop-downs. I've titled this Clothing, and then I'm going to click the check mark. Next, I'm going to click Add Menu Item. Then under Link, you're going to want to click Collections. Then you can select a specific collection that you want to link. After you do that, you can click the check mark. And then to turn this into a drop-down, you want to press and hold to select one of the links you just added, and then just drag it right underneath and off to the right beneath that menu link. Then I'm going to click this check mark. When website visitors click Clothing, it's going to show a drop-down, which is going to have that collection link that they can shop. I'm going to click Add Menu Item to Clothing, and then I'm going to add a link to another collection that will be considered in the clothing category. And then just repeat that step to add multiple links underneath your clothing section. Next, I'll be adding another drop-down, but for shoes. But this time it's going to be for different collections of shoes. So I'm going to click Add Menu Item, and then I'll be adding a link to the All Collections page. Then I'm going to click the check mark. And don't forget to rearrange that link on your menu in case you want it to appear higher up or lower down on your menu. Once you're done, I'm going to save this menu. And if you already have your new main menu connected to your header, you should see your header update with the new menu links. Here on my website, here is what the new menu links look like. I'm going to preview these menu links. Let's head to add drop-downs to your website's menu. On Shopify, you can click the mobile icon to get an idea of how your menu links are going to be organized on an example of a mobile device. Stay tuned, guys, because next I'm going to show you how to customize your website's footer, how to add your logo to your footer, and I'll also be showing you how to add clickable social media icons to the top of your website and also to your footer as well. Really quickly, if you're liking the style of this website that you see in this video, or if you like the layout and the color scheme of it, this is one of my Shopify templates, which comes pre-branded and allows your website to have that premium look without you having to spend days of time doing your website entirely on your own. On my website, I have this Shopify theme available, along with some collections of other types of Shopify themes for different business types. Using a pre-done Shopify theme allows you to get that professional look for your website. The website template is customizable. You can change the colors, add your pictures, and add your products, and after installing it, you can publish it. The install process is quite simple. Once you've picked a theme that you like, that template is going to arrive as a zip file, and on Shopify, you can click Upload a zip file to upload it straight into your store. You'll be able to open it, customize it, and publish it. And depending on your business type or your branding style, I have a variety of Shopify templates with different styles for you to choose from. Every one of my Shopify themes included a step-by-step installation guide to show you how to install and set up the template. There's no coding required, and using a website template can give your store that optimized, elevated look without you needing design or coding experience. I'm going to link this Shopify theme in the description box below, and I'll put another link so that you can find other themes in different styles and grab the one that fits your brand to perfection. Now to add social media icons to the top of your website, you'll want to hover over your header bar. Then you can click Add Section, and you can insert an announcement bar section. Next, you'll want to add links to your social media handles. So you'll want to click Theme Settings, and then you can scroll down until you see Social Media. This is where you'll be able to insert links to your brand's social media pages into these fields. Once you added those links, click on your announcement bar again. Then you'll see a section that says Social Media Icons, and you'll want to be sure to enable this so that you can show those clickable social media icons on your announcement bar. You'll also have some other customization options for how you can customize your announcement bar section. And once you're done, I'm also going to show you how to add those social media icons to your website's footer. You want to scroll to the bottom of your website until you see your footer, then click on your footer bar, and you should see a section that says social media icons where you can enable to show the social media icons on your website's footer. You'll also want to add menu links to your footer. To do this, under the footer section, I'm going to click Add Block, and then I'm going to insert a menu block. This will create a section where you can select which menu you want to display. To make your footer menu, you'll want to click on Content. Then you can click Menus, and this is where you can either customize your current footer menu or you can create a new menu. I titled it New Footer Menu, and you want to add essential links to all the important pages inside your website. I'm adding a homepage link, then I'll be adding a link to the All Collections page. I'll also be adding a link to the blog page, a link to the policies page, and then last, I'll be adding a link to the website's contact page. So just click Pages, and then you can select Contact to add a link to the contact page. Don't forget to save your footer menu. Then inside your theme editor, click on that menu that you just added to the footer. Then you can click here on the drop down and then click Replace so that you can apply that new footer menu that you just created. You can also add a heading text. I'll be removing this heading text. That's how to add links to your website's footer. You don't have to stop at just adding links. You can also add your logo and even a mini brand description. To add your logo underneath footer, you'll want to click Add Block, and this is where you can insert an image block. After you insert that, it's going to give you a section where you can upload a photo. So when you click Select, you can upload your logo. It also gives you the option to increase the size of your website's logo. After you've added your logo, you can reposition your logo on your footer in case you want to move it around. So under the footer section, I'm going to select this image block, and then I'm just going to drag it below the menu so that it appears on the right side of the menu. There's another section you can add to your footer bar to help you increase your number of returning customers. This will be to add an email sign up to your footer. When you add an email sign up, every customer that joins can receive email when you've launched new products or when you're running discounts and sales. Click on your footer, and then under email sign up, you can enable to show the email sign up on your footer. You can also adjust the email sign up heading in case you want to put a different call to action. Click the mobile icon to see an example of how your footer is going to look on a mobile device. And you can go one step further by adding a mini About Us text or a brand summary so that customers can form a connection to your brand. You can add a mini About Us text to your footer. Before we get to that, if you are building your email list so that you can increase your number of returning customers, I have an email prompt pack specifically for helping you generate all of your customer emails. And this is included inside of my community. When you join, you'll get access to a ton of digital resources that are designed specifically for new Shopify sellers. You'll be able to download and enjoy every one of these digital resources for free. It has a huge collection of Shopify resources designed to help you set up and manage your store on Shopify. Inside of my community, there are website prompt packs to help you generate product descriptions, About Us text, and other important website copy, along with size chart templates, product launch planners so that you can plan out your product launches. There's also my Shopify Basics guide, which is perfect for if you're brand new to the platform. Once you're a member, you'll have 24/7 access to download and enjoy every single digital item in the membership. The link for where you can join is in the description below. To take a look inside the email prompt pack, I'm going to download this. And inside, you'll see all the different prompts that you can use to have AI generate your emails for you. Here's a product or service launch email prompt. This is what the prompt looks like, so I'm going to copy this. Then you can paste that prompt into your AI writing tool. Don't forget to customize the prompt to fit your specific product that you want to promote to your customers. This helps you to make sure that you're marketing to your email members without doing all of your email sales copy from scratch. And that's just one of the prompts. There are a ton more prompts you can use. Now to add a mini brand description or about us text to your footer bar so that your customers can build a connection with your brand. Under footer, you'll want to click Add Block. Then you can click Text to insert a text section. That just added a text box to the footer bar. I'm going to click this arrow back. I'm going to reposition the logo in front of that text box. This way the logo is centered in the middle of the footer. Then you have the menu links, and then you have the mini brand description. You can now take this and you can add a mini description or introduction text about your brand. You can add in your About Us text overview under subtext. And if you do have a full About Us page that you would like to link this to, you can select the text and then click the Insert Link icon to insert a link that leads to your official About Us page. You also have some other customization options for the text. That's how you can customize your website's footer bar. I'm also going to click on the mobile icon to see an example of the layout on mobile devices. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.